If you see me in the club, I'm chillin' in the back, probably in VIP, that's where you can find me at. Post it up, what up? Post it up, what up? You won't see me in the club, everybody looking at it, either in a cloud of smoke or I'm twisted off Jack. Post it up, what up? What up? Post it up, what up? What up? Hey. See me getting money, you were kinda jealous. When I hit you with the finish, never oversell it. Rappers acting overzealous, I'm the bad guy, don't embellish. So the selfish, give me all the credit. No apprentice, so I'll overdo it. Yeah, I gotta do it. This a mission, this is not a movement. Doing what I gotta do because I gotta do it. All I ever hear is shitty, it's just not my kind of music. Now I'm not a stupid rapper or an actor, what you see 300. Name whatever accolade and shitty Gene done it. And if I ain't did it, bet I do it in a minute. And if I don't wanna do it, I